CETAPHIL Gentle Skin Cleanser 20 FL Hydrating Face Wash and Body Wash. Ideal for sensitive, dry skin. Non-irritating. Won't clog pores. Fragrance-free. Soap-free. Dermatologist recommended. About this item. CETAPHIL Gentle Skin Cleansing Cloths for sensitive skin. Leave skin feeling clean and refreshed. America's #1 best-selling facial cleanser, gentle face wash for all skin types, ideal for sensitive, dry skin. Please subscribe, like, share, comment this video. Developed for even the most sensitive skin, this pH-balanced, fragrance-free formula is hypoallergenic. Gentle enough for use with or without water. Follow with a CETAPHIL facial moisturizer to lock in moisture. Designed for sensitive skin, all CETAPHIL products are effective yet non-irritating. Amazon sales link, https://amazon/3cdani, or below updated Amazon sales link. Product description. CETAPHIL Gentle Skin Cleanser is a creamy, non-foaming daily cleanser for all skin types, ideal for dry, sensitive skin. This gentle yet effective face wash cleans deep to remove dirt, makeup and impurities without over-drying or stripping the skin, helping to maintain the skin's natural pH balance. It hydrates and soothes as it cleans to replenish the skin's natural moisture barrier, without leaving a residue that can clog pores. Hypoallergenic, soap-free and fragrance-free too. Clean without irritation, leaving skin feeling soft and smooth. Clinically tested for even the most sensitive skin. Ingredients: water, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, panthenol, niacinamide, pantolactone, xanthan gum, sodium cocoyl isethionate, sodium benzoate, citric acid,